So now we have the AC compressor out. As you can see, these hoses where they attach, they go inside the AC compressor. They have O-rings on them, and they look pretty good. But that one right there, yeah, it look pretty good. All right, so we're gonna see it may be clogged up. That's where it mounts up against the engine, the training. So, okay. So, yeah, it's your boy Jay Wood. We got the thing off. This is what it looked like. So now we're about to see if it's clogged up, if it's bad, what's going on with it.